Hi everyone, I am Mehmet Karataş from Mersi Technology and Consulting Company. Now I will be making a presentation about the liquid systems of DJ Agras T30 and T10 agricultural drones for you. Content, product introduction, material uh, identification, repair strategy, sample and assemble notice, principles, diagram and boards in introduction, uh, test plans and fixtures, uh, malfunction assessment and analysis. Product introduction. Product name. Uh, the T30 T10 splitting systems 3.0 is compatible for mounting with the Agras T30 and T30 and T10 drones, offering uh, efficient, reliable, and stable spreading operation. The spreading system 3.0 has a built-in steering device uh, which can prevent the material uh, blockage blockage and improve operating action and reliable with the weight sensor and control module, remaining materials real time. Okay. Product comparison spreading systems. Uh, T T30 spreading systems. Mm, real time monitoring of the remaining materials in the tank. T-on T10 spreading systems. Uh, 3.0 real-time monitoring of the remaining materials in the tank. T spreading system 2, 2.0 spreading materials empty tank warning CNN CN 3E8 specifications uh, T T30 spreading systems T T10 spreading systems T spreading system varies according to material diameter, spinner links, rolling speed, hopper outlet size, and flight altitude. For base operating performance, it is recommended to adjust the corresponding variables to achieve a spreading range of uh, 5 5 7 meters. In the back, spreading systems, space brandings, fender pair, stopper, fender scripts for uh, 40, 40, 30 only, 40, 10 only. Okay. Material identification, my model, okay, control model, core model of the spreading systems, Servo module controls the change of the hopper gate. Uh, Angel and the opening closing of the hopper gate. Reduction gearbox drives the static device to spin, brings the materials to the hopper gate, and sprays them out of the hopper gate. Okay. Uh, Weight sensor uh, responsible for collections the weight of the tank. A weight collection board retrieves the data from the weight sensor and calculates the weight. Okay. This sampler and assembler notice um, oh, when instancing the large gear, make sure make sure that the large gear is aligned with the notch of the small gear on the servo model. On the weight control model, the number of the weight sensor models on the left side is 1 and 2, and uh, and that of the weight sensor models of the right side is 3 and 4. Okay. Uh, Principles diagram and board introductions. Control mode and control mode core model of the spreader collects all sensors signal ACG signals and servo signals and controls the various resources of the enter spreader. White sensor contains the weight of the tank. Servo controls the change of the hopper gate angel and the opening and closing of the hopper gate. Uh, Reduction gearbox model. They are they are to bolt on in the motors. The gimbal motors drive the stick attached above the motor to rotate it. The control module determines where to make an F prompt for empty tank passed on the correct wall of the motor. The spinner disc motor drives the spinner to rotate and separate the materials that fall on the spinner disc. Okay, okay. Uh, Test plan and fixtures. Uh, Spreading systems uh, module. Test firmware update. App conclusions. App functionality test. Writing and white volley content update the firmware. Check the function. Write the volley. Okay. Testing environment all sides of science twice. Test software. Uh, Official assistant. App. Uh, uh, Damage assessment. No. Yes. Yes. Repair. Three. Yes. Uh, the value uh, K needs to be written again when the load sensors replace it. Test after component replacement. Okay. Superior wall product uh, test items writing to wait Volca K firmware update if functionality test uh, Superior control mode uh, writing to Volca no load collection board all okay load sensor all okay production gearbox, uh, Bollywood Bolly K, no. A servo operating system, firmware update, Apple crash test, okay. Carbon, uh, writing to white call K, no. Author, okay. Modification, assembly, and analysis. Check whether there is many cosmetic damage on the product, whether the product has crashed, whether any boards are water damaged, and whether all the components are intact. Start visual inspection. Uh, Check whether it can be powered on. No, the product and cannot be uh, powered on. Or yes, F1 clutch test. No, function for assumption process. Uh, or yes, and if the product cannot be powered on, uh, check the following models. One, control mode. Two, separate signal cable. The product cannot be powered on. Check whether the signal cable broken or not connected in plus. Yes, uh, the signal cable is broken, or no, the control module is damaged. Common issues. Link the aircraft with the T3 remote control and use the app to check whether the hardware connection is normal. If there are any warnings showing in the app or the model cannot be turned on because the model cannot be interpreted, determine that the corresponding model is damaged. Okay, showing. Compile the list. Okay. Okay. Yes or no. T30 uh, and T10. Uh, okay. Aircraft modulars. Uh, aerial electronic system model. Uh, T10 and T30. Yes. Spreading model. Uh, uh, T10 and T30. Yes. Power distribution board. Uh, all no. radar. Radar is T10 and T30. ESC and remote control, FPV1, FPV module at T10 and T30. Uh, Thank you. That's all I have to say. Thank you for listening.